Afternoon, folks. I'm in the National Botanic Gardens here in Glasnevin. I'm just after doing a tour. The tour guide was Tim, and I have to say, the information that you get on the tour is second to none, folks. I mean, this is history on our doorstep. We have so much heritage in this small space, really, in Dublin city centre when you think about it. He even went to shows us plants that there's only 10 of them in the world. 10 of these plants left in the whole world, and we're privileged to have it here. The blight was found here first in 1840, obviously for the famine. It was identified here for the first time in Ireland. And there's so much history to it, there's no point in trying to explain it here. It's this place is around since the late 1700s to 1790s. Get up and have a look at it, folks. Get out, stretch your legs, have a walk around. But what I will say to you is, do the tour. It's only a fiver. You walk around, it's lovely. You walk around and get the information. It's stunning. The information is fantastic. So for the sake of €5, book yourself in for the weekend, come up during the week, do the tour and enjoy it. Go into the coffee shop after it and take the family up with you. All right, but this is history on the doorstep.